Today, I'm going to share 10 decor trends that you'll love and how to easily and affordably incorporate them into your existing decor. My name is Zakia, and each week I share decor, DIYs, and tips for living your most beautiful life. Our first trend is curves. We're seeing curves everywhere. Curved sofas, curved armchairs, curved lighting, and rounded decor pieces. But you don't have to run out and get a whole new sofa. You can simply incorporate pieces like this. This is a thrifted vase that I painted with chalk paint to give it a nice matte finish, but as you can see, it's got those curved handles and it's conveying the feel of this rounded trend that we're seeing right now for only about $3. Another way to incorporate this trend on the cheap is just simply throwing a round pillow on your sofa. One of the trends I'm most excited about is green. Green is making a big surge this season, and we'll see all different shades of green. A simple way to incorporate green into your decor is through your artwork. If you have frames in your home, like I have these IKEA frames that I love, and every now and then I just simply change out the artwork to keep things updated and fresh. Aside from green, we're also going to see a lot of warm colors and earth tones in our decor this year. I added this beautiful block printed pillow to my sofa, and I just love the warmth and the pop of color that it gives to my decor for only about $20. Keep in mind that earth tones are not just browns. They can be a variety of colors that have a warm and subtle undertone. Another big trend this year that will hopefully stick around is eco-conscious decor, like this rug made from recycled water bottles. My favorite way to decorate my home in an eco-conscious way is through thrifting. This lamp, this copper bowl, and these books were all thrifted, and I think that they look beautiful. Unique touches like these with one-of-a-kind finds are the things that make your home actually feel more high-end. Your home will have a rich, collected, curated feel that sometimes off-the-shelf items just can't give. While we're here, we'll go to the next trend, which is a shift toward using dried florals over faux florals. When it comes to budget, it literally doesn't get any cheaper than this. I found these when I was out for a hike one day, and sometimes I also like to keep grocery store flowers that I get and dry those too. A trend that's going to bring charm and richness into our homes this year is old world style. And once again, thrifting is going to give us an economical way to bring this trend into our homes. I found this mirror at the thrift store and it was only $15. It's beautiful and it has the detail and workmanship befitting of old world style. Our next trend is almost the exact opposite of old world style. It's bohemian, it's earthy, and fresh. It's rattan. If you like the look of rattan but don't want to invest in the larger pieces, you can find a smaller rattan piece like this basket for much, much less. Another way to style flat baskets is by either mounting them on the wall or leaning them up against the wall on a shelf. This leads us into our most controversial trend of them all, open kitchen shelving. People either love open kitchen shelving or they hate it. But one thing is for sure, even though we are seeing a return to more hidden storage, open kitchen shelving is not going anywhere anytime soon. And it can be done for cheap by simply using wood and shelf brackets installed into the studs. This is actually a sneak peek to my kitchen spring tour that I'll be putting out soon. So obviously I am a fan of open kitchen shelves, but I'm curious to know, would you ever put open kitchen shelves in your home? Our next trend is a lot less controversial. I think we can all agree that indoor plants are a good thing. and something that can be incorporated into your decor on a budget and very easily. You can purchase plants at your local nursery, and a lot of times you can even find plants on clearance. You just might have to nurture them back to health. I've had this olive tree for about 3 years now, and I love having it in my home. I've saved the best trend for last: layered and comfortable decor. No matter what your decor style is, your home should be layered with fabrics and textures and materials that make you feel comfortable. Things that you love around you, so that your home can truly be a haven from the outside world. The very best decor trend of all times is doing what makes you happy in your home. Please consider subscribing and becoming a part of the Beautiful Living community. Let's make it a beautiful day.